Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 1.3 6th question. Weekly expenditure in an office for 3 weeks is given as follows. Assuming that the salary in the 3 weeks of different categories of staffs did not vary. So the same salary for different category of people. Okay. So calculate the salary for each type of staff using matrix inversion method. So you'll have to form a matrices first. Before that, you'll have to go for your equation. So to find your equation, you'll just use these values. So first we'll write it as let the salary of each type of staff be x comma y and z respectively. So we need the salary only, so we'll just declare the salaries as x, y and z for each different categories. Okay. So we'll get the equation. So from here you'll have to form an equation, that is 4x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 4900. So I'll just write it here. 4x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 4900. Then your second equation is 3x, 3y, 2z is equal to 4500. So 3x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4500. Third one is 4x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5800. So 4x, 3y, 4z is equal to 5800. So these are the three equations. Using these equations, we will have to form a matrices first. So we can write it as, it can be written as, so 4, 2, 3, that is the coefficient of x, y and z, it is 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, coefficient of x, y and z, 4, 3, 4, again the coefficient of x, y and z for third equation, into your variables you will have to write, so x, y, z, 3 variables, again that is equal to your constant it is, so 4900, that is 4900, 4500, then 5800. So this is in the format of A, x is equal to b. So A, x is equal to b, then x will be, bring this A this side, so it will become A inverse into b. So x formula is A inverse into b, where A is equal to, your matrix is 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. Then your x is equal to your variables x, y, z. Then your b is equal to 4900, 4500, 5800. So now you will have to find your A inverse. For A inverse, the formula is 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So to find your A inverse, we need determinant of A as well as adjoint of A. So first we will go with determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to, we have declared A here. So first 4, open your bracket. You got the format plus, minus and plus. So plus only 4. So the remainder of 4 has to be found out. So remove in the column and the row, you will get 3, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 2, 3, 4. Minus, the second element is 2, open your bracket. So the regarding column and the row has to be eliminated. So here the left out is 3, 2, 4, 4. So 3, 2, 4, 4. Then plus, the next element is 3. Open your bracket, the minor of 3 has to be found out. So removing that column and the row, 3, 3, 4, 3. So 3, 3, 4, 3. So which is equal to, you are solving 4 into, multiply these two terms, 4 3s are 12, minus from your formula, 3 2s are 6. Then minus 2 into 4 3s are 12, this is minus 4 2s are 8. Plus 3 into 3 3s are 9, minus from your formula, 4 3s are 12. that is equal to 4 into 12 minus 6 is 6 minus 2 into 12 minus 8 is 4 plus 3 into 9 minus 12 is minus 3. So it is equal to 6 4s are 24 minus 4 2s are 8, again here minus 9. Therefore the answer is 24 minus 17 you will get, that is equal to 7, which is not equal to 0. Therefore you can write A inverse exists. You have to find Aij, that is the cofactor. Just put a big bracket. So for A, from A you will have to find it. Before that you need your format over there. So just write the format here, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus and plus. So this format you will have to use for your cofactor. Okay. So here 4 is there. So the minor of 4 we will have to find it. So removing the row and the column. So we will get 3, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 2, 3, 4. Then insert this minus, open your bracket. The minor of 2 has to be found out. So removing the row and second column, you will get 3, 2, 4, 4. 3, 2, 4, 4. Then third element 3 is there. So removing the column and the row, 3, 3, 4, 3. So 3, 3, 4, 3. Then minus from here, open your bracket. The minor of 3 has to be found out. So the regarding row and column will go 2, 3, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, 4. Then plus, open your bracket, plus from here. The minor of this 3 has to be found out. So removing the row, second row and second column, 4, 3, 4, 4. 4, 3, 4, 4. Then minus from your format, open your bracket, removing the column and the row, you will get it as 4, 2, 4, 3. So 4, 2, 4, 3. Going to your third row, the minor of 4 has to be found out. So removing the row and the column, 2, 3, 3, 2. 2, 3, 3, 2. Then minus from the format, open your bracket. The minor of 3 has to be found out. So removing third row, second column, 4, 3, 3, 2 will get it. 4, 3, 3, 2. Open your bracket. The last element, removing the last row and last column, 4, 2, 3, 3 will get. 4, 2, 3, 3. So solving, 3 4s are 12 minus 6. So 12 minus 6. 4 3s are 12 minus 8. Minus is outside. So 12 minus 8. Then this is 3 3s are 9 minus 12. So 9 minus 12. Next is 2 4s are 8. Minus is outside. 2 4s are 8 minus 3 3s are 9. Then plus, open your bracket. 4 4s are 16 minus 4 3s are 12. Then minus, open your bracket. 4 3s are 12 minus 4 2s are 8. Then here 2 2s are 4 minus 3 3s are 9. Then minus, open your bracket. 4 2s are 8 minus 3 3s are 9. Again open your bracket. 4 3s are 12 minus 3 2s are 6. So the last step of solving, 12 minus 6 is 6 minus 12 minus 8 is 4, but minus is outside, so it will become minus 4. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. 8 minus 9 is minus 1, but minus is outside, so it will become plus 1. 16 minus 12 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Minus is outside, so minus. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. 8 minus 9 is minus 1, but minus is outside, so it will become plus. 12 minus 6 is 6. So this is your Aij. Adjoint of A, you have to find it. So adjoint of A is equal to Aij, the whole transpose. So we have got Aij here, we'll have to write the transpose. So transpose is nothing but your converting your rows to column, otherwise column to rows, okay. So we'll convert this row to column, we'll have it here. So 6 minus 4 minus 3, so it will become 6 minus 4 minus 3 in your column wise. Again second row is 1, 4 minus 4, so you'll have 1, 4 minus 4 as your second column. Third row is minus 5, 1, 6, so minus 5, 1, 6 will become as your third column. So this is your adjoint of A. Now getting back to your A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A is equal to 7. So determinant of A is 7. So we can write it as 1 by 7 into your adjoint of A is this value. So it is 6, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 4, 1 minus 3 minus 4, 6. So this is your A inverse. Now we'll have to go back to your x over there. So x is equal to, we have written in the beginning itself, x is equal to A inverse into B. So just substituting here, your A inverse is this value fully. It is 1 by 7 into your matrices 6, 1 minus 5, minus 4, 4 and 1, minus 3, minus 4 and 6 into your B. 4,900. 4,500, 5,800. Solving minus 1 by 7, first row, first column, 6 into 4,900, you'll get 29,400 plus 1 into 4,500, 4,500 minus 5 into 5,800, it is 29,000. Then second row, the same column, minus 4 into 49,000, you will get minus 19,600 plus 4 into 4,500, you will get 18,000. Then plus 1 into 5,800, you will get 5,800. Third row, in the same column, minus 3 into 4,900, you will get it as minus 14,700. Then again minus is there, so put minus 4 into 4,500 will get 18,000. Then plus 6 into 5,800 will get 34,800. So now the solving 1 by 7. So just solve as it is, you will get your 4,900. Add these two numbers and subtract it, you will get your answer. Then again these two numbers added and subtract from 19,600, you will get your answer as 4,200. Then the last row solving, you will get 2,100. So dividing each term by 7, you will get it as 700. Next 4,200 divided by 7, you will get 600. Then 2,100 divided by 7, you will get 300. So this is nothing but your x, y and z. So we will have to find this one only. So we can declare your answer as x is equal to 700, y is equal to 600, z is equal to 300. Therefore the last answer is the salary of each type of staff are rupees 700, rupees 600 and rupees 300 respectively.